in today's tutorial, she's had disable sleep mode on your Lenovo laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select system, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select power. And then you want to select the item underneath screen and sleep timeouts. Where it says plugged in, set the make my device sleep after, click the drop down for that, and select never if you never want your Lenovo device to turn off. You can also adjust it for the screen settings as well if you do not want your screen to turn black. Do it for the plugged in as well as the battery options. So if you're on a laptop or tablet device, you may have multiple options on this expandable drop-down list. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.